Good morning! Yes, today I'm here to show you my phone mount. Phone bike mount? Yeah. Bike phone mount. Oh, anyway, you got it. I'm gonna show you how I put my phone on my bicycle. My Brompton actually. Let's put it horizontal. Okay, much better. Actually, let's take it out. Let's take some photos. Let me show you. Where am I riding? It's right here. Well, actually, Brompton just launched a very nice bicycle mount phone. Bicycle phone mount. Specific for Brompton. It calls QUADLOCK. And Victor did a marvelous review about it, comparing this new QUADLOCK against the one that he used to use it. And he found out it's a lot better. For me, I use this one, I'm gonna show you, and I really like it. There's some other videos telling you about the QUADLOCK from Brompton and from Brilliant Bikes. Brilliant Bikes are so nice. I love this store. I wish I'd live in London just to see it, just to visit. I'll be there soon. You have those three very nice videos about the QUADLOCK and its comparison. And David inspired me. Yes, this video is inspired by David from Life in Two Wheels. Yes, he just bought a Brompton and he's already had a channel to do videos about his scooter, and now he got a Brompton. So he's starting doing videos about Brompton and he's very nice. I really like him. I'm gonna link all these videos in the description box of the video. It's down here. Yep. There's a place called description. Yep, there's some links there. And I'm gonna show you why did I decide for this one. It calls SPORTLINK. Bom dia. Bom dia. Favorite reason to use a phone mount is because when I'm traveling, I can see where I'm going, and then I stop, take it out, click twice, and take a picture. Is that cool? And right after I take a picture, I just put it back again, only with one hand. And here you also can film. Yes, you can use this as a mounting to film. I don't like it much, but it's possible. Another thing they can do is get here, start your recording, then and show the view. Is that cool? I love this part. So beautiful. Very nice part. Okay, let's go home. Let me show you all my previous mount bike. Phone, bike, mount. You got it. I'm gonna show you why did I choose this one and how did I use the other ones, and you choose whatever is best for you. Back to the house, and I'm gonna show you, actually this is the one that I like, but I'm gonna show you how I got to this one. Yes, we always keep trying to see which one's better. Okay, so this one was my first one. As soon as I got my Brompton, I went to New York for the 5-borough New York, and I purchased this one. Not good, because you cover the top of your phone, and it's so hard to put in and take it out, so don't use it anymore. Then I got this one. It's huge, isn't it? But it's good. It's very nice, very simple, cheap, and you put it here. Very fast to fix it. And well, we can put it here. And you have the space between, so there's no problem. Just put your phone here, no special case needed, and close it. See? Then you turn it on and you use it, you know, very easy. You can access all your phone, very nice. To take it out, just press back here and take it out. It takes a while to take it out. Now, I'm getting to the best ones. I know, I had a lot of them, but that's the way life is, you know? You keep trying to improve and get better. That's how it is. Let's take this one out. And this one I use in Germany. Then comes this one. This one for me was one of the best ones. The only problem is they don't make cases for Samsung, only for iPhone. I cut the case to try to fix in another one, but it didn't work. But look how neat it is. You open it, okay, easy to put in, and then it's magnetic. Isn't that cool? Look. So it's so easy, and to take it out, you just turn out, you know. But if you're going to a bumpy road, you close it here, you cannot take it out. It's very rigid. It's a very good one, but they don't make for Samsung, so I can't use it. Oh, and there's another problem. You cannot use it here, straight here. It does not give you the space necessary to put it here. So what I did in Germany, I bought this here. It's just as standard. You put it here. So this goes here, this goes on top. So you have a very nice one, but heavy, isn't it? 10. I'm getting there. I went for this one. Very small, very nice, but there's a problem. It's great, have a great, all different cases, all different, but the thing is, you can fix this onto your case, but to put in, you have to put it right on it. Okay, it's good. Why do I use my phone in my Brompton? Why do I have to see it when I'm riding? Let me show you. What I usually do is, when I'm traveling, I'll get Google Maps, here, and ask Google Maps, where is da-da-da-da? Like, where is the best Brompton bike shop? And it tells me, how to get there. And I keep looking and keep telling me right, left, straight, how many kilometers. So it helps me a lot. I like to use Google Maps because I can put hearts in the places that I like most, and I can put stars in the places that I've been, and I can put the little green ones, the green flags, the places that I want to go. Yeah, I want to go a lot of places. And another reason is that I like to take pictures. So as I show you, I like to grab the phone and take the picture and put it back in. So for this reason, it has to be a very nice phone mount, and easy to get in and out, and has to be able to be horizontal. I rarely use it, but sometimes I need it horizontal. It's easier to go in the Google Maps, or I want to see the picture, the video, how it came out, okay? So I came up with this one. Yes, for me, this look how small it is, how light it is. That's all you need. It comes with this and a little square adapter, and you can glue to wherever you want. I had this case from another mount. It's nice when you go riding a bike and you're gonna put your phone in it. It's nice to have a very hard case. Yes, once I had this one, and I was in Germany, and that was a group. I took that out, filmed the group. When I was putting back in, you know, when I was putting back here, you won't. It's strange, but it did happen. A bee bite me right here, and I got so spooked, and I lost the phone, and the phone went down. Bing, bing, bing. Ah, I almost died, but it was fine. The phone was fine. But I realized that we really need a very hard case, you know, very protective case to put your phone in. This one's quite nice. It goes like this. That's it. Is that easy? And if I want to take it out, I cannot take it out like this. I have to press here and take it out. So it's very easy, because here I press it, take it out, take my picture, and put it back in. Neat, isn't it? Let me show you how easy it is. That's it. Easy, right? Then you take it out, take the picture, and put it back in. I like this one. One do you want? What you should look for is, first, easy to manage, easy to use, light to carry, not many parts to break. You know, this one I was always scared I would break around. You know, not heavy. You know, not bulky. You know, a lot of things. And not hard to find the right place. This one is light, easy to use, and hard to break. If you lose the bungee, if you lose the bungee, just get another one. And the thing is, it calls SPORTLINK. I'm not sponsored by it. It's just that the ones that I use, I thought it was the best one. Oh, there's this one also. Hold it here and put the phone here. But imagine. Oh, I gotta show you. I can turn it horizontal. Yeah, sometimes it's easier to move around like this, but sometimes it's better to use like this. So I can use both ways, and I like this. And another thing is, there's a lot of attachments. You can attach to a clip, you can attach to your arm, you can attach to your dashboard. There's a lot of different attachments that you can buy for it. And that's a thing that I thought was very interesting that David said. Remember, this video is inspired of David's video, because he was showing his attachments, and I remember I have so many of them, and there's a reason that I don't use them anymore. You know, maybe it's interesting for you. Maybe you're looking for one and you want to buy the Brompton, it's made specially for Brompton. It's great, wonderful. A little bit bulky, I think it's big, but anyway, it's nice. Or maybe you find Victor's. Victor used another one's very nice. Or maybe you like David, or maybe you find one that you like it. For now, when I say for now, is that we keep learning. Every day we keep learning. So today, for me, this is the best one. Because SPORTLINK. Like here in Rio, I'm not traveling. I know where I'm going, so I don't need my phone to look at me. I just put my phone in my back pocket and take it out, take a picture and put it back, you know. Yeah, I wear cycling shirts. I like them. I like the pockets. But when I'm traveling, I always take it. It's good. It's very good. It's very useful. And I hope you enjoy this little video. Thanks for watching. Very nice to have you on board. And if you like videos like this, if you like Brompton, if you like traveling, please subscribe. But to subscribe is one part. The second part is, yes, the little bell. I know, it's good. I love this little bell. Why I always tell you about the little bell is because for YouTube to tell you the next video, to show you, oh, Chris got a video, come on, let's watch it. You need the little bell. If you don't click the little bell, it doesn't tell you anything. That's how it works. Hope you enjoy it. Bye-bye.